Hello YouTubers, since nobody has made a YZ125 woods bike video for tips or suggestions, you can leave those in the comments. I decided to make one. The first really engine, I guess, mod you could call it that I have on is a 12-tooth moose sprocket, front sprocket. This sprocket to this sprocket ratio, which is 12 to 48, really helps the bottom end and more torque. And I guess these added accessories that I have on are bark busters. You can get the full wraparounds, but I don't want to break my wrist in case I crash. I also have a Fender pack that you can store your extra tear-offs, gloves, spark plug or wrench in, which is handy. I would suggest softening the suspension up, that just allows the easier ability to get over logs, I guess, and it makes the the ride smoother. The rear suspension shock was fine for me. Another, I guess, engine mod that I skipped would be the Pro Circuit expansion chamber and here's my back fender. Is the Pro Circuit R304 silencer that seems to help with the bottom end. I think I went over everything, but if I forgot anything, just drop it in the comments. Just a little circle around my bike. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.